All right, welcome to another edition of Redneck Garage. We have a new look for our cold side pipe. I think it's going to go well. It's going to come out the hood quite a bit, but I think that's okay. Now, what I'm doing today is I'm going to go ahead and move one of the wastegates. I was looking at the different priorities. This one over here on this side is coming from the driver's side, and it's not the best, but it's actually in the pipe. This other one, the second one, is the one, it's 90 degrees off of where they merge together. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna move it down here somewhere. No, not on that one. That'll be two on one side. It's gonna go on this other side and it's gonna come out. So I think it'll be okay. So we're gonna move that and see if we can get some boost control tomorrow night. Thursday, which I'll be watching this on Thursday. Other thing we're doing tonight, we're working on Randy's, putting them in a nice SFI diaper on it. Did y'all see that bad turbo? I don't know if y'all noticed. Forced inductions makes the baddest turbos out there. Period, point blank. They are the best. So get you one. But we're working on Randy's. The race tomorrow night, free entry at Galot Motorsports Park. If y'all are around, come on out. Hopefully we'll have some decent cars. We'll be there with Randy's. I'm just gonna make one pass. Hopefully me and John Doc are going to do something. I've got his surprise from last time where I won, where I'm 2-0 against him so far. So that's going to be entertaining. He's bringing the mullet. I guess he's going to bring the Mustang, so we'll be racing the Mustang most likely. Hopefully. We haven't worked anything out yet. I see them. I'm watching his videos, and he is testing like crazy. So I ain't going to be able to give him the back tire, the brake, or none of that crazy stuff. We're going to have to go heads up, and we'll see what happens. But hopefully me and him will get it off at some point. I need to test. I want to see if this will fix my wastegate issue. I need to make at least one pass, maybe two passes. Sunday at Rico, I want to be able to make sure I've got proper boost control so that I can make this thing go down. We're down to 5 cars. So hopefully it'll be good. So Randy's, we're going to finish putting up the engine diaper. And we're also building a larger catch can out of the valve covers. We started blowing. I think that was making like 52 pounds of boost. It's crazy how much boost that thing's making. So on each one of those valve covers, he only had number 10 vents going to a catch can. I've got number 12s on my little motor. So we are putting number 16s, I think it is. So we got to build them a catch can, a tank, a breather tank, so that we can be good there. So he's going to be there this weekend at Carolina No Time, Friday, Saturday. We have we're gonna have 4 days of racing. Thursday night, Galot. Friday night, Galot. Carolina No Time, Saturday. Carolina No Time, Galot. And then Rico on Sunday. So we'll be running mine and Randy's. So it should be fun. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, so check this out, guys. Whoever put this extra wastegate on is just an idiot. They're an idiot. I don't know what the hell they were thinking. That would have been me. But if you look at this thing, this thing is just, it was not getting any flow at all. And that's what we just verified. I just moved it. Now it's up here. So I've got it. Ignore the welds. I just MIG weld everything. I'm not a very good MIG welder. Like I said, I'm a grinder. There's a couple times I couldn't really see where I was going, but it don't leak. But anyway, this thing, this is where the turbo is. But look at, it's kind of hard to see, but the hole for the wastegate, the pipe actually goes by it. I mean, it was not very good at all. This other one here on the other side, the one that was on the passenger side, that one's got halfway decent priority. Now this one here has got really good priority, and so we just opened it up and got it welded on. It's just old mild steel kit. You can see, like I said, I can't weld worth of crap, but it is what it is. So if I take compressed air now, if I do compressed air and blow it in this pipe down here, it works. I mean, I've got pressure coming out of the side up here, and I mean, it's just I guess I should have done this to start with, but. And we did the same thing. We put compressed air. I held this one over like it wasn't there, and there was nothing coming out this one right here. It was almost like creating a vacuum. So that's why I was getting boost creep. So it 100% for sure. This thing just didn't have good placement. So I'm gonna weld a cap on this one here, and then we're gonna put the wastegate back on it, and then we're gonna try it out tomorrow night and see what happens. What do you think, Keith?
It should work.
It should work. We hope so anyway. I mean, it's just one of those things I think, now the thing I'm gonna have to worry about, the thing that's gonna be possibly, you know, problematic, I've been putting 30 pounds of dome pressure on it and getting close to 1-to-1, but now it might be 30 pounds of dome pressure and 20 pounds of boost. So that's why I gotta make at least one pass with it tomorrow. All right, so if y'all didn't realize, header wrap is the best thing since sliced bread. It hides all this ugly crap, makes it look a lot better, but then it starts coming apart like that, so I've got to put a little bit more on it to hide it. Header wrap your stuff. It makes it all pretty and shiny. All right, check it out. We're ready to roll now. Just welded me a nice little plate in there, block off. So if I ever need a third wastegate, I guess I got a spot to weld it. So we're ready. We're gonna go put this back on the car. It looks like it should be pretty good for the most part, I would think. We'll see. Hopefully it won't be screwed. Check this bad boy out right here. We are putting a diaper on Randy's. It's race day. This is one of the SFI diapers. It's got Kevlar or something in it. It's pretty heavy, but it is got some, as long as we can get it on the motor. Check that out. This thing is awesome. It probably weighs 10 or 15 pounds, but it is big, it is bulky, and we got Carolina No Time coming up this weekend. Tonight, Thursday night, we're going to do the free entry 28x10 race. We're going to get in there, try to make some passes. We made some good passes last time we were out at the track, so we're going to try to turn it up a little bit. That is why he invested in a good diaper. Because we got to go fast. I asked him, did he want to put the rod tune-up out of it in it. He doesn't want... I don't think he wants that tune-up, but in order to run Jason Rigney and Chris Hardy and their pro mods, we got to put that tune-up in it, and hopefully...
Oh, I thought you meant...
It don't sling
I
rods
meant
up.
leave it in there, is what I meant.
Oh. Here's the bottom of that bad boy. It's just a little baby procharger. Okay, so this is Randy's oil. And it's been sitting for a little while. But look at the water. That is pure water.
Alcohol.
It's both. Yep, water and alcohol.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Okay. What did I do with the wrench?
I don't know.
Oh, well, mine, did you see my video that I did today with the separation?
No.
Cooking the oil?
No. I saw that you had it, but I didn't watch it.
How are you not watching my YouTube channel?
Dude, I had to work today.
You can watch it in between stops.
No, you can't. I can watch it tomorrow, though.
That's mostly alcohol. My arm's burning
Yeah.
from where it's running down. Oh, look, man, it's galling up. Ooh, they're burning my armpit.
I get it.
I've almost got it now. The aluminum is kind of burred up. Okay, it's fixing to come out now, though. Go ahead, snatch it out. Just hold your hand kind of that way so it doesn't run on your face. That is 100% all condensation and methanol, mostly methanol. Oh. Look at all that. Look at all that methanol. All that is condensation and methanol. Now we finally got oil.
Oh my God.
That was down into some. This is a dry sump pan.
You want to grab that one side?
Is it getting heavy?
No, but it will.
Boy, that was a lot of methanol. That was way more than what was in mine.
Yeah.
Now we're down to the clean oil though. I mean, we good.
Yeah, it's clean.
I mean, it's clean right there. It's separated. Look how clean it. Oh, we ain't got no good light in here. But it is clean. All right. Okay. Yeah, a little bit in it, but not much.
Nothing like that.
Nah, it was all in the bottom of that pan. All right, now we're in good clean oil again. We're gonna drain it all out there. We'll put this in my race car later. All right, check this out. So we got the catch can built. I am not a professional welder by any means. So like I said, but we chunked this thing together. But as always, As with everything that I do when I weld, my best welds are on the bottom. I mean, they're still not perfect. But dang, they're a lot better than those up top that you can see. You will never see these doggone welds on the bottom of this tank. But you will see these welds every freaking single time. That's just the way it is. But anyway, we got a nice big catch can. It probably holds a couple quarts of oil, number 16s. It's gonna mount right there. Brian and Randy are gonna figure out the mounting part. So we're gonna have a nice big catch can, big breather. He's gotta go through the valve some more. You can see he's putting Brad P and oil. Randy does not recycle his. He gets the new stuff. Mine gets the recycled stuff.
Come on, man.
I like recycled stuff. Everybody liked it. Everybody was like, cool, everybody does that. That's awesome. And here's Randy using new stuff.
Well, I gave you my old stuff.
I'm gonna recycle his. Mine gets the used part. Derek, see, my car is so, I get so many used parts, I even get the used oil. That's freaking awesome. Can I get your spark plugs when you pull your spark plugs out? All right, I'm gonna go put my downpipe or my crossover back on. Wowee. Well, that's a wrap. It's back on. That was pretty simple. That thing's a little low, but it's got a good angle on it. It's not touching anything. Way clear of everything. So we'll see. It's definitely more priority, like you can see. It's still not 100%, I mean, straight out, but it is way better than it was. So we'll see how it works out. I'm gonna try it tomorrow night. Galot, free entry, 28 by 10. Y'all be there. That's actually tonight when you're gonna be seeing this video. So y'all come out if you're close by. If not, we'll have you a video hopefully Friday. We're gonna try to get a race on with John Doc. Might do mine off the trailer. I think it's gonna behave like I want it to. I don't know. If not, I got a scramble button. So we'll see. He's been testing a lot. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Go fast and get some wind lights. Thanks. Gap time.